Hey guys, this is the second video in TensorFlow. In first video, we saw how to define variables. You can check it out my first video, and in this video we will see what are ranks and shapes. So basically ranks are just the nested lists in how many deepest level the list is nested. That's it. Here we can see that a list is only one dimension, it is not nested at all. So if we run this and run this, numpy is equal to 1, that is the rank of this tensor. And now here we can see that we have a list inside a bigger list, and that's why we should get a rank of 2. So let's and see, yes, numpy is equal to 2. Then what is the shape? The shape of a tensor variable is just how many elements are there within the list. So if you get tensor the 2 shape, you get tensor shape of 2 comma 2 because there are 2 elements here and 2 elements here. And tensor of rank 1, we should get how many? 2. So let's run, and okay, a variable error, and yeah, so 2. So that is how the rank and the shape in a TensorFlow is found out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more TensorFlow videos, and do comment if you have any doubts. Stay curious, keep coding.